Hello friends, welcome to Edupedia, World of Education. Today we will learn idioms and its meaning with example of how to use these idioms in sentences. So let's start. A lone wolf. It means someone who is not very social with other people. A lone wolf, it is hard for him to live with others. A lot on one's plate. It means a lot to do. The president does have a lot on his plate. A million and one. It means very many. There are a million and one things that needs to be done. A notch above. It means superior to, higher in quality. He is a notch above anyone else. A penny for your thoughts. It means what are you thinking? Politicians always want to know a penny for your thoughts. A penny saved is a penny earned. It means every small amount helps to build one's saving. In emergency, always a penny saved is a penny earned, which comes in use. A picture is worth 1,000 words. It means a visual presentation can communicate something very effectively. The old phrase, a picture is worth 1,000 words, contains much wisdom. A plum job. It means an easy and pleasant job that pays well. Of course, no one wishes to leave a plum job. A rare bird. It means somebody or something of a kind that one seldom sees. The six-legged turkey is a rare bird indeed. A scaredy cat. It means someone who is excessively scared or afraid. John has been a scaredy cat during his whole life. A second bite at the cherry. It means a second chance to do something. After this win, we think this is a good chance to take a second bite at the cherry. A sight for sore eyes. It means someone that you are pleased to see. Arrival of rains is always a sight for sore eyes. A sitting duck. It means a person or object in a vulnerable position that is easy to attack or injure. Standing in the pocket, he looks like he should be a sitting duck. A snowball's chance in hell. It means little or no likelihood or occurrence or success. He doesn't have a snowball's chance in hell of getting the job. A stitch in time saves nine. It means fix something quickly from deteriorating further. It seems that something wrong with my car. It's better to get it checked up, as stitch in time saves nine. A stone's throw. It means a very short distance. She lives just a stone's throw away from the beach. A storm in a teacup. It means unnecessary anger or worry about an unimportant matter. This whole matter is a storm in a teacup. A tall order. It means a difficult task. That's a tall order for several reasons. A week is a long time in. It means a situation which may change rapidly. In a political fight, a week is a long time in for results. About time. It means far past the desired time. It is about time that Russia too took a definitive stand. About to. It means on the point of occurring immediately. Our souls are about to leak out from working so hard. Above and beyond. It means more than expected or required. I am here tonight because I place policy above and beyond politics. Above board. It means openly without deceit. He has always been above board in his role in a stock. Above the law. It means exempt from the laws, that applies to everyone else. No government is above the law when it violates basic human rights. Above the salt. It means of high standing or honor. I went to a reception at the embassy and I was sitting above the salt. Friends, please explore other educational videos by Edupedia, World of Education, from iLink appearing on the right side corner. Thanks. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.